Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be learning about Python math functions. Before we start, I want you to make sure that your file ends with an IPYNB. Okay, so now we're going to be learning on how to round a number. To do this, of course we need the print function. And to round a number, we need to type round. Then brackets. Then inside the brackets, we're gonna write the number that we want to round up. So I'm gonna round the number 3.1, which the answer will be 3. Okay, so obviously everybody knows what's the meaning of round. If you guys doesn't know, you can head over to Google to understand what does it mean. Absolutes. Absolute, it turns any number to positive. So first we need to print. Wait, let's just go back to the code that we wrote. Okay, yes, here. And instead of run, let's type ABS, which stands for absolute. Now, inside the brackets, we're gonna write, oops, for example, -1. Now the answer will be 1 because it turns any number to positive. Even positive number will stay positive. Okay, and guys, I want to tell you something more about these that we've learned before. There are more operators, which is power and more. But now let's talk about power. You can add it. You can add the power to the previous cell, or you can just use it in this cell. It's up to you guys. So to do this, we need to write print as usual, and inside we're gonna do, for example, 2. To do the power, we need star star. This means power. And now we're going to do 2 to the power of 3. Now we get 8. So this is power. In Python, if you want to do comments, it's not like a code, just like a comment, like a note for yourself. You need a hashtag, and the color will change to green. So this is a note to yourself so that you can understand what does this code do, so that if you guys forget in the future, you can just recap your information back again and again. So this is power. Okay guys, so let's move on to the next operator, which is called modulo. So of course we need the print, and then to do this, let's for example put any number, for example 6 to the modulo of 4. So modulo, it will take two numbers, divide them, and then it's going to round them to the whole number. So we got 2. Now, let's move on to the next operator. Okay guys, so let's move on to the next operator, which is called floor. So floor is a function used to round a number down to the nearest whole number. It means it gives you the largest integer that is less than or equal to the number. So let's test it out. Let's put, for example, 7. Floor is like this, a slash, 2 slash. 7 to the floor of 3. Let's run the code and we get 2. So now guys, you already know the meaning of floor, power, and modulo. So in the next video, we're going to be learning about Python operator precedence. So bye guys, see you in my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can have more viewers and more subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and have a play around in your code.